In this video, I will review the XenServer Dynamic Memory Control feature. The Dynamic Memory Control feature allows you to share unused server memory between your VMs. This will allow you to increase the number of virtual machines per host. This functionality is commonly known as memory overcommit or memory ballooning. Once you have set the memory constraints for each of your virtual machines, XenServer will automatically maintain the allocated memory for each VM. Let's set the memory constraint for one of my virtual machines. My first task is to install the XenServer tools on my virtual machine. These tools will install the necessary drivers required to enable dynamic memory control. In XenCenter, I will select a virtual machine and go to the General tab. In this demonstration, I will be using a Windows XP VM. In the General tab, I can see the virtualization state of this VM. The state will indicate if the XenServer tools are installed. I will click on the VM's console tab and log on to my VM. Then from the VM's DVD drive, I will select the XenServer tools ISO. This will start the XenServer tools installation wizard. I will follow the basic steps of the wizard and then, when prompted, reboot my virtual machine. Once the VM is rebooted, I will return to the VM's General tab to confirm that the XenServer tools have been installed. I will repeat this process for all the VMs in my environment. From the pool, host, and virtual machine levels, the Memory tab will display each VM's memory allocation. On a VM's Memory tab, I will click the Edit button to adjust the memory allocation for that VM. From the Memory Settings dialog box, I will have the choice to set a fixed amount of memory or to automatically allocate memory within a specified range. I will select the Automatically Allocate Memory Within This Range radio button. Then, I will adjust the minimum and maximum memory amounts. It is important that you do not set the minimum memory amount below the recommended specifications for a particular VM's operating system. This can cause the operating system to underperform. Once I have the memory range set, I will be prompted to reboot my virtual machine. Now, when I view the Memory tab of the virtual machine, I can see that the memory range has been set. In this screenshot, I can see that XenServer is allocating the maximum memory for this virtual machine. XenServer can now dynamically adjust the memory of this VM if additional memory is required to run a new virtual machine. In the next video, I will configure the high availability feature.